high it is.
Wow, look at that. Isn't that high?
Yes, very high.
Now can you turn back on the radio, please?
No, we need.
No, I'm not turning on it yet. You can still see the water. Okay, we're still driving. The water is not over yet. You can't see the water through the trees very well. Oh, peek there. You see the water back over there. It's gone higher. Oh, crap.
And we saw a turtle.
You saw a turtle?
Yes, we did. Don't you think this is
More.
lake?
Yeah, it's gone higher.
Yeah, it's gotten higher. Press my button.
Still can't see through these trees right here. But there's still water up over there.
And over there. Yikes.
Yeah, that water on the other side hasn't gotten higher. Okay. Water's still coming up. This is usually this is usually dry ground over here.
And it's cotton fields.
No, not yet. The cotton fields are coming up. These are the cotton. No. Yeah, these are sometimes cotton fields right here. And here is.
Say.
This is all cotton fields usually. Are growing. Sometimes they do grow soy and other stuff. But right now it's just a lake.
We're going to Duncan Lake.
It has now been named Duncan Lake because we're turning on Duncan, which is one road into my neighborhood right here.
Duncan!
Okay, so this is usually all cotton fields.
Cotton fields. I think Duncan Lake has gone down. Yeah, it's definitely gone down.
It's gone
No,
down.
nope, it's still the same.
Oh. Good. Good.
So this all dry area here is not dry.
Well, it's supposed to be dry.
And that's probably good enough. Hope you didn't have your head through most of that, Tori. And we're going to go stop and throw some rocks into the lake since we have a lake on our weird lakefront
My
property
name
now.
is Joe, and we'll go on